Hello everyone, welcome back to realreview.com. Haven't been around in a while, so have a new review for you today. We're going to be reviewing Pictory, which is we've been playing around with for a better part of a week, and we really think is a strong alternative for Vidnami users. I was a Vidnami user. As you guys may have heard, if you've used Vidnami, it was purchased by GoDaddy. It's being retired or being reinvented under the GoDaddy suite. So left a lot of people that were using Vidnami to create their videos in a bind, right? So I was looking for a lot of different things. I researched Pictory, purchased it, actually really liked it. Purchased it, upgraded already in the first week to get unlimited usage out of it. But that's where we're going to be going with this video. We're going to be reviewing Pictory as a video creation platform. I'm actually going to go through the features, show you what you can do with Pictory, and then we're going to create a quick video together just so you can kind of see it in action. And then if that all works, I'll post the video below so you can see it, so you can see the output. And for those of you guys that are asking, well, why would I need Pictory, right? I know a lot of people that watch this are Project 24 members that watch this channel, blogs, creating YouTube channel content, and that's a lot of what I think Pictory can really help people do is kind of create content with one medium and then transfer it over. And the nice thing about Pictory is you can do it in both ways. So that's what I'm gonna show you guys. So all right, let's get into it. Enough of me blathering on here. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, of course, please subscribe. That'd be awesome. And all right, let's get to it. So, what is Pictory? So here's the page for Pictory that we can go through first, right? So, Pictory is a platform that allows you to, again, create video content in a lot of different formats from a lot of different mediums, right? So this is what you're gonna be able to create videos from text. You can take longer videos and shorten it into highlights. You can put a long video in there that you record on YouTube, and actually it will transcribe it for you, okay? You can also use it for video post-production. So say you record a video like this and you wanted to add an intro, outro, it'll let you add branding all set up for yourself, so you can have your logo and your branding and all this stuff in there set, so you don't have to worry about setting that each time. So it saves you a lot of time in a lot of different ways, right? So one of the ways that I've been using it is to create short content. Shorts by YouTube is a big push here to compete with TikTok and Instagram short videos. So we were able to easily create short videos here, either from scratch or from longer videos. So for people that are looking for social media posts, or if you want to be able to break up longer content into short, bite-sizable, digestible content, that's where you're going to be able to do here. So, again, I'm just going to go through the pages real quick, and then I'm going to show you the back office. So, you can create shareable highlight reels of your webinar in minutes, right? So you can upload your webinar, and then use it to create highlights, right? So you can promote the full webinar on your social channels, short video clips for higher engagement. You can then you can also edit your videos through here, which is really cool. So you upload a video, it'll create the transcription for you, and then you can actually edit the transcription to edit the video. So you want to cut out the words, it'll actually pick them out for you. All the I say a bunch of times. This will highlight it for me, and I can just hit take them out, right? And it'll shorten the video accordingly. Again, you can customize your brand settings, so it'll be the same across all videos. You can add captions to your videos. right? So 85% of social media posts they're watched on mute. So if you want to put in a video, it'll transcribe it for you, and then you can use a lot of different templates, which I'll show you, to create this really cool, captions to your video, so that people can watch it actually on mute, right? Where we talked about video post production. Let me do this. Let me get into the back office here, because I know we're talking a lot about it, but let me just move this out of the way here. So, okay. So here, there's a lot of different ways you can create a video, right? So for Project 24 members, you have obviously blog posts, articles. Jim and Ricky talk about creating YouTube channel, right? And the growth that you can see there. People that are trying both formats and they're single man shops or, smaller teams, this is what this is really great for. You can just plug in your URL here and it will actually pick out the most important parts of your article using AI. You can of course edit it. And then from there, you can create a video where it'll actually match up. It'll bring in footage. It actually is contracted with Shutterstock, so it gives you access to over 6 million plus royalty-free images that you can use in here because it has the account with it. So you can actually it'll match up your content, your article to images. Now I must say it doesn't always match the best, right? But it makes it really really easy to fix and pick the ones you want. So I'll show you that in a second. Or you can start straight with an article. If you haven't uploaded it to the internet, you can just put your script right in here, create the same thing. Or you can use visuals and videos to then create one, right, to meld them together. And then here's something I haven't used yet, but you can actually edit videos with voice using text. So you would upload like a video, like so let's say this video file, you would upload into here, and it would transcribe it for you. And then let's say I wanted to cut out all the ums or shorten part of it, I can cut it and then it will remake the video into whatever short portions you want for you. So that's really cool. I haven't used that yet, but I can see a lot of applications like that, especially for people that are doing long form tutorials or anything like that. Let's say you wanted to be able to, let's say you have a 10 or 15 step tutorial, but you wanted to put you wanted to film it all, and you want to break it up to shorter videos into a series. You could use this, right? You can use this to create a course pretty easily like that, which I think is pretty cool. So I'm going to show you, I've been using the script to video feature, which I really, really like. So that's what we're going to be using now. Okay. So I have a clip here. I have one I just wrote real quick. So what we're going to do is we're going to be creating a short on this, based on this script that I wrote. So I'm just going to do is paste it in here, right? Okay. I'm going to hit proceed. And then you have 3 different formats that you can choose here, right? Landscape, which is typical YouTube. You have portrait view, okay? Let me get my head out of the way because you guys don't need to be looking at that. And then you have the square view for social media posts. I've been making a lot of shorts, right? I've been using this for. And I got to say, guys, I've just started playing around with this for a week. I mean, I've literally gotten shorts down, fresh content that I've created in like 10 minutes each. Where I had an hour, I would say maybe an hour and a half to maybe 2 hours I played with it. And I've created, it's got to be maybe a little bit more than that. Maybe closer to 2.5 hours over the 2 days, because I've created like 12 videos, 12 shorts, which is awesome because, if you're trying to pump content out, that's not easy to do. So I'm going to create a short here, right? So you put your script in and you're going to watch it right here. All right, so we're going to do this in real time, depending on my internet, right? We'll see how it goes. So here you go. You can see this is really, really simple to use. So let me show you what you're looking at here. So this is the script that I put in, right? That you guys put in here. And what it does is it breaks it up to you into scenes, right? Now, here's your story. You can see here. Then you have your visuals. So this is where you would search for videos, any of the stock images, or upload your own if you wanted, right? Then you have audio. So the nice thing about audio, it has a bunch of different music tracks. It also will do generated audio for you. It doesn't have a ton of options. It's all in English right now, but they're definitely passable. You can also easily add your own voiceover, right? So you can just record it, and it makes it really, really simple. And then styles, there's all these different styles you can pick. I'll just leave it on the one it has for now, but you can pick all these different themes, right? And then that'll seamlessly, use the style that you want. And then format, well, one hint here, guys, it's always set on 720. I always come in and I do 1080. Just put it on, and then I'll put optimize for video size. I've always been doing that. I think it works better. So I'll just hit save there, right? No, that's good. That's easy to go. But let's go page by page here and just show you. So again, remember, the premise here is I'm creating a short as if I was going to be creating a short about Pictory, right? So like this video would be a little short that I would say, hey, come watch my full review, meaning this video. And that way I'll put this below at the end of the video so you can see how it came out. Okay, so here's the first scene. Let's go back to the nice thing that I like about this is, guys, and this is better than Vidnami. You double tap here, and I can move this around anywhere I want. You couldn't do that really on Vidnami. You had set places they would make you pick. And here's the nice thing, right? Let's say I want to do 7 reasons, right? Let's say I want to highlight it. Boom, I highlight it, right? And now, so it's really, really super easy to edit. If you want to take what you just did, you just hit the little eraser thing and it's done. And you can change the fonts. So it makes it super easy, okay? Now, let's say, so now see the scenes on the bottom here? This is scene 1. When I'm done with that, let's say I want to go to scene 2. You could use it to do the following, okay? So let's say here, I'm like, oh, I don't really like the guy running, right? Let's say I want to do, maybe I look for like, I'm saying following reasons, so that's not that easy of a thing to like, would help if I get off arts and entertainment. If I want to see the following things, maybe I'll put a little checklist thing right here, right? Boom, done, it's in, right? Like that's it. So, here, I'm just going to move this over, right? Let's see. Create highlights and longer video. Highlights, longer video. Well, you can do the little time thing. I mean, that's fine. Let's see if we just type in videos. If I could type here. And again, you can do this way quicker if you're not like talking, trying to think like, well, what would be helpful? Right? But let's see if I just type in video. Let's see here. You know what? Boom. That'll work. Sometimes it will stay a little bit black for a while to highlight it, but there you go. See, it subbed that in, no problem. Okay? So you guys getting the point here as we go, right? Let's see, edit videos using text. So let's see if I just look for something that looks like a text here. And again, I don't want to make this too long trying to find the perfect thing, right? Because I just want it to be, you guys get the point of it here. So let me see. Well, maybe if I wrote, maybe if I type in article, right? Oops. Wow, my spelling, my typing is really bad. Let's see. Article. No. Oh, what if I type in blog? Let's see. And then remember, these all come from Shutterstock. And a lot of times, guys, these will these will, it really does depend what you pick here. So sometimes you do have to play around, and you'll usually be able to find, what like I can just do here, WordPress. How about this? I'll put this little WordPress thing in there. Perfect, right? So you guys are getting the point, right? And then captions, I can leave that the same. Post-production, so let's see, video post-production. I don't know if that one really fits or not, but again, this is just to demonstrate, right? So you go through here, right? Create social post from a webinar. So let's see. See if I do Facebook. There you go. I'll just change it to the Facebook one. Okay. Here's an example of social post. Let's say I wanted to highlight social because that's really what this is about. Okay. So this one is more the text. The other one was for straight from a blog, like link, like you just insert the link. So let's just do text here. See if I can find something that's just more like handwritten text. If you see, you keep scrolling down, it keeps giving you more and more options here. There you go. Text. Okay, perfect. And you don't have to hit save every time. It auto saves. I don't know why I just do that, because probably just, bad habit that I'm pulling over from somewhere else. I always like to hit save. Transcription. I don't know why it pulled up. So you can see here, like, it gave me like a ball going into a soccer net, which I am a big soccer fan, but I don't know how that really applies. I'm gonna just hit this for transcription, right? Like, okay, great. Okay. Let's see if I can find anything for link. It's like a chain link. I don't want that. Maybe I type click. How about that? If I just do click. So you can see, guys, I mean, this is obviously, once you're in here and you know what you want to do, and this is, depending on the niche you're in, right, it's going to be easier or harder to maybe dig and find some stuff because you're going through all the Shutterstock stuff. But then don't forget, you can also input your own videos. So if you have them from any other, your other clips, you just put them in, and you can either put in videos or images. So you do that. Okay. So let's say now you're good, right? And now you just go to generate. Actually, I'm going to preview it so you guys can see. The preview doesn't always come out, obviously, as good as when you generate the full thing. But this will hopefully work and give us an idea. So see, like, sometimes the video preview doesn't show the images. Oh, there it is. So it is working, right? Now I don't hear the person talking, right? So let me just make sure I did click that. Let me just make sure. Oh, no, see, I didn't hit. So I always recommend hitting preview first. I didn't apply the voice. So definitely do that, guys. I mean, if you want it, make sure you double check it. But say if you let's see if I just preview this once now, if you can hear the voice. Okay, yeah. So I'll just generate it, but you guys get the point. I'm going to generate this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to link it below so you guys can actually see the final product. I'm also going to link a discount code below to the end of August that they gave us. So use the link below, get the discount if you guys want to check it out. There's also a free trial that they'll give you. I think it gives you 1 or 2 videos, but I've really liked it so far, and I think it has endless applications if you want to create content quickly, by yourself. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, put them below. You can always do a follow-up. And I'm actually working on a couple of random channels. I'm going to try to create a lot of videos using this. I started uploading, and I'll let you know how that goes in an update. So hopefully this was helpful. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. And again, if you want to support the channel, use the affiliate link below. Much appreciated. Thank you. Bye-bye.